Hey guys, this is Tyler at Columbus Car Audio. Today we're just going live to show you a little bit of what we got going on in the back. Come with me. All right, got a Scion XB here, doing an amp and sub install in. Got it all kind of pulled apart. Pretty standard install, but cool, gets you a little bit of bass that you want in your vehicle. That's a big thing. Getting all the wiring tightened up and everything too. Take you over here too. We got all these boats back here. We do a lot of marine systems here. I don't know if you guys know anything about that. We do little boats all the way to your big boy right here. Full systems, maybe just even a Bluetooth connectivity inside of it. So a lot of different options for you here. So this guy here, we just did some speaker replacements up here in the front. Change out the speakers and added a stereo and a little bit of some amplification. And if you take a look here underneath the wheel on the driver's side, we put a subwoofer down here in the bottom too. Plays a little bit of lows for the customer as well. Pretty nice. Then this guy. We always take off our shoes, respect everybody's investment. All right. So if you look here, we got a Hertz subwoofer and a full range speaker down below that we were cutting in. Put it into the boat as well. We'll also be putting in a subwoofer in this bad boy as well. Take a look down here in the bow. Got some technicians down there right now. LED lit speakers.
Got a TV on the back wall back there. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty dark in here.
And then we're prepping all the wiring here for the new stereo that's going in. All your RCAs for your signal transfer to the amplifiers, and all your signals right here as well. Got one more for you over here too. We'll take a look at this other guy. All right. So if you look here, you got the towers. Put these nice towers on here so when you're waking or you're getting pulled behind in the boat, you got some nice sound for you. Hear it crystal clear from pretty far away. Also have some of this open up, you can see, making some connections on the battery over here in the front. We also have some wet sound speakers over that we cut in by the cup holder. And then these ones down here as well. We have some nice full range speakers on this side and on this side as well. Pretty nice stuff. Take you over here and we'll show you just kind of our bread and butter and what we do a lot of right next door. We always plug in a tester, test all our connections to make sure that we're tapping into the right wiring that we need. Just kind of pulled this one in to get it prepped for an amp and sub. So another thing that we do here that's really cool is we work on a lot of slingshots and motorcycles. Over here we have some motorcycles and two different slingshots that we've actually done work on. This one here, simple speaker replacement. These are specific for the Harley Davidsons. Go in here, kind of look like this when it's all said and done. This one got a full setup on it as well. For the aquatic AV radio that's been a home run for all you bike guys out there. If you haven't seen it, do yourself some justice and go take a look at it, or come into our showroom and take a peek. The aquatic is the way to go. It's a direct plug-in for these Harley Davidsons. You could get satellite radio, Bluetooth, and all your phone connectivity in it. It works with your handlebar controls. It's the route to go if you're looking to upgrade the stereo on a Harley. And this guy here, I'm sure you see these driving around. This gets it a little bit more show. We put some lighting inside the wheel wells to light up. We also built in a nice radio with a backup camera. This radio is actually a power sports radio from Rockford, so it is weather resistant as well. That's the backup camera here. We have these custom pods on the side with these JL Audio Marine speakers. These pods allow you to put speakers right here on the side, so you get more of an output. Spent a lot of time in lighting on this as well, so it's one of those things where it's a fun car and you want to have fun while you drive it. Halos around the lights as well. Pretty sharp ride. Then we got this one back here. This one's been kind of our baby. A little bit of a project that we've worked on for like the last year or so. We have a wrap job on it. This was gray when it first came in. The wrap job came on it. We made these custom pods to fit some 6.5-inch speakers right there on the outside. We also built a custom enclosure to fit subwoofers behind in the storage trays. So if you want to get some bass, this is the route to go. We actually fiberglassed this tub in and built this front plate, so then you could put subwoofers in here and have a crazy amount of bass in a motorcycle. Same idea with the head unit. We did a Rockford Falls gate, different model, but still kind of the same idea. And then another thing we built is these pods here on the back to put some 6.5s to get more of a directional to the back of your head. Now, last but not least, we'll go back here and see what the tent guys have going on today. We got an old school back here, old Porsche that's getting tinted. That's something really cool that you see get tinted, but you don't understand how it really happens. And this is kind of a perfect start of it here. He has the back window cut out, and now he's shrinking it onto it. Kind of give an older car a nice new look to it as well. And then 535i here. The window film is applied by putting moisture on the glass, and after it was cut and shrank, then we put it on there and get it adhered to the window really well. And it looks like we got some paint protection going on back here as well. So here, I'm gonna lay down some paint protection on the front end. We're at the point now where we're gonna clean the front end really well. Once the front end is really clean and ready to go, we have this paint protection film here, and it's cut out to the shape of the bumper or the hood or your fenders, whatever we're actually paint protecting. And once that goes on, it's really nice. We also vinyl wrap this here, kind of give it a blackout look on the top of the trim. Keep it real nice and neat, and we did the full roof as well. Kind of gives you a cool looking trim level for something that didn't come with the car from factory. And that's really it. That's what we got going on. Stay tuned. We've been doing a lot of these. It is Thursday, so don't forget about bike night tonight. We're going to be at El Dorado Scioto Downs tonight from 7 to 9. Come on, show your support, and we'll see you here in the store.